Tagaytay food without the drive. Lalo na ngayon na mahal ang gas, baka Bulolo World ang sagot. They served us a huge spread, from appetizers to desserts. So ito yung sulit, okay lang, at pass. Solid yung tawilis. Malaking serving for 69 pesos. Kumpara sa ibang resto sa Tagaytay na 400 pesos for a tiny portion. Crispy pero hindi tostado, and you can fork it without it falling apart. Chicken skin is a safe order. Masarap pero nothing groundbreaking. Yung 2 pieces boneless chicken, medyo under-seasoned at weak yung gravy. Safe option pero easily the most forgettable. Pork barbecue hands down pinakasulit sa lahat. Tender, juicy, and packed with flavor kahit malamig na. Legit kayang makipagsabayan sa established barbecue spots. Okay din yung chicken barbecue. Kanto style done right with the subtle hint of tanglad that gives it extra depth. Yung inihaw na sisig hits different. Smoky, savory, with caramelized onions that really elevate the dish. Yung dinakdakan naman, great texture. Medyo matapang lang yung pepper at sili. At syempre, it wouldn't be Bulalo World without bulalo. Ang laki ng utak, ang dali higupin, and surprisingly tender yung meat kahit lumamig na. Yung sabaw, malinis at malasa. Hindi puro MSG. Pro tip, pwede mong painit ulit yung soup sa soup station nila. Yung Mami, pure comfort food. Hindi tinipid sa toppings. Perfect for rainy weather. Honestly, mas nagustuhan ko pa yung meatballs kaysa sa meat. For dessert, we had the halo-halo and chocolate yema. Yung halo-halo, classic Kanto style in the best way possible. And for chocolate lovers, panalo yung chocolate yema. I just wish mas marami pang chocolate. At saka shoutout kay Sherwin at Arlene. Ang galing ng service nila. Overall, Bulalo World surprised us. You really don't need to drive all the way to Tagaytay for legit Tagaytay comfort food.